These trees are gonna snap yet. It's so incredibly windy. Things are flying away. Oh man. Per-hour wind warning today. We're up to 120 kilometer wind. The outhouse just fell over. I want to be the one cleaning that up. It's slippery. It's warm here tonight, and it's bringing on a crazy storm. As you can tell, it's melting here, middle of the night. And the water is just running off. Running. Holy crap, would you look at this? It's hitting my truck here yet. Things are smashing into my truck, and this is unreal. It's rain, but holy crap. I'm scared that my truck's gonna be destroyed yet by stuff hitting it. It's so windy, it moved my truck. It slid my truck sideways. Oh man, there goes the outhouse is moving. Slid across the ice here. Oh, it's icy. Trees are falling down in here. It's dangerous standing here even. Look at all these trees broken down. Sea can jumped like 6 feet there, fell off and leaning up on the bus. My camp is huge. We have about 600 people here. Tonight they're scraping the yard here, trying to get the ice off, make it more powder. Well, I'm editing another video here. It'll be coming up shortly. It's all that storm video. Oh, you've probably seen it by now because this is at the end of it. Yeah, so, but it's all I have for now, I guess. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's awesome. I haven't seen it yet, so that's why I'm saying what I'm saying. You know, you get what I'm saying? Yeah, hit like if you enjoyed it. I'm not sure if it's good yet, but I hope it's good, so hit like. And so yeah, catch you later.